morning everyone. Today I am going to teach the social subject that lesson class second standard CBSE. Okay children, in the last class we have completed lesson number 10. Okay, that is festivals. Everybody wrote the classwork children? In your classwork everybody wrote? Yes. Please complete your classwork. Okay children, we have sent the classwork. You should write neatly in your classwork. Okay children, got it? Next is, today I am going to start the new lesson, that is lesson number 11. Lesson number 11, safety, SAFETY, safety rules, 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 safety rules. Okay children, lesson number 11, safety rules. Okay, safety means be careful ourselves from the rules. Okay, here safety rules to be followed at school, at home. Okay, we have to follow the safety rules at school and also at our home. Okay, safety rules to be followed while boarding the bus. Bus anna hattuvaga kuda navu safety rules anna follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And also safety rules to be followed while playing also. Okay children, we have to follow the safety rules where children? At home, at school, okay, while playing and also while boarding a bus, we have to follow the safety rules. Okay, learning about staying safe is an important part of education. Listen here children, learning about staying safe, it is the part of education. With education we have to follow the safety rules. It is a part of education. Safety rules is the part of education. ಓದೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ we should learn. Okay, safety rules at home. At home, how we follow the safety rules. Got it children? ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay, let us now learn about staying safe at home. Okay, first point is, do not touch the electrical wires. Do you know the electric wires, no children? Current wire iruttalla, don't touch that. Okay, electric stove also, current stove is there now, and also you don't touch that. And toasters, bread toaster alla iruttalla, that is also you don't touch children. And also electrical appliances means iron box alla iruttalla, those are. Okay, don't touch electric things. Got it children? At home you be very careful and safe. Do not touch the electric wires, electric stove, toasters, electric appliances. Got it children? Next, especially with the wet hand, these things can give you electric shock, sometimes fatal. Listen here children, in our wet hand ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಸಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ, if we touch the wire it will give a shock. ಹಸಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೈರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕೈಗೆ. Sometimes fatal, fatal, we will fall down sometimes. Got it? Next is, second point is, avoid playing with the matchbox. Will you play with the matchbox children? No, that is very dangerous. Okay, don't play with matchbox and any kind of lighters. Gas lighter ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಆನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟಕ್ ಟಕ್ ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, gas lighter will you start? Don't play with matchbox and matchbox and lighters. 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 Got it, children? Don't play with the matchbox. Benki patna anta helpilla, that is okay. And lighters. Don't play with these things. Okay. These are very danger. Okay. So if you touch this, your hands will be burned. Third point is do not leave any soap or shampoo on the floor. ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೆ shampoo ಅಥವಾ soap ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಾರದು. Why? Because someone may slip and fall and get hurt. Okay, banana skin also. Don't throw on the floor. If someone put their leg on it, they will fall down and they will slip. Got it, children? Yes. Okay. Be careful of these things. Do not leave any soap or shampoo on the floor, and also do not wash. And also in the washroom alla kuda ನಾವು soap ಮತ್ತೆ shampoo ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳಿಸಬಾರದು. Okay, someone if they put their leg on it, they will fall or slip and they will get hurt. ಗಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಬೆನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Got it? Next point is do not take any medicine unless your parents give it to you. Essential, this is very important. Okay, don't take any, if you are sick means don't take any medicine of your own. Okay, please take help of your parents. Got it? ಕೆಮ್ಮು ಅಥವಾ ನನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. You should ask your parents. If they give means you can take. Unless you don't take any medicine of your own. Got it, children? Okay, I am going to repeat one more time. Safety rules at home. Okay, do not touch the electric wires. Got it? And also do not touch the electric stove, toasters and electric appliances. Electrical appliances means iron box, etc. Okay, especially electric appliances means iron box and also water heater. Heater ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ, ಈ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರು ಕಾಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವಿತ್ ವೆಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ these things can give us electric shock. Got it? Next point is avoid playing with the matchbox, any kind of lighters. Got it, children? Don't play with matchbox and the lighters. Lighters ನ ಬರೀ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೈಟರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಿಗರೇಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ ಆ ಥರ ಲೈಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಲೀವ್ ಎನಿ ಸೋಪ್ ಆರ್ ಶಾಂಪೂ on the floor and in the washroom also. Someone may slip or fall and get hurt. Okay, next point is do not take any medicine of your own. You should take your parents' help and take the medicine. Got it, children? Next is safety at. One more point is there. Keep away from sharp pointed objects. Look, children, next point is keep away from sharp or pointed objects. Sharp means sharp ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಚೂಪಾಗಿರೋದು. ಯಾವುದು? ನೀಡಲ್. ಸೂಜಿ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ನೀಡಲ್, ಪಿನ್ಸ್, ನೈಫ್, ಚಾಕು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ don't touch these things. Okay, like needles, knives, blades also don't touch. Will you touch the blades? Will you play with these things, children? No, these are very sharp and very dangerous. If you play with that, if you touch, your skin will be cut and that will come outside. Okay, so don't take these sharp pointed objects. Got it, children? You are very small kids now, so don't do these mistakes. Yes. Next, safety rules in the school. Okay, safety rules in the home completed now. Now, safety rules in the school. How do we take a safety in the school? In school, how do we you run and you and your friends will be dashed and you will fall down. Okay, then you will get hurt. So don't run while you are going washroom, while you are going to the bath. You go slowly, hands back, and go in a line. Got it? Do not run on the corridors. You may call it with the students. Call it means dash. Okay. You may call it with other students. Both can get that. I told you children now only. Please don't run. If you run on the corridors, you will dash or call it. C-O-L-L-I-D. Call it means dash. You call it with your friends and you will fall down. Then you become hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. Hurt means injure. Okay. Next point is do not jump on the desk in the classroom nor run around in the classroom. Listen children, this is very important. Do not run or do not jump from the desk. Will you jump on the desk? No, you should not do that children. And also don't run in the classroom. Okay, you will be quiet and silent in your classroom. You should sit silently in the classroom. Play only in the playground, not in the classroom. Got it? Next one is be careful when closing doors or windows in the classroom. When you are closing the door or opening the door, no, be careful. If you keep your finger will be cut. Okay, so be careful while closing and opening the windows and doors. Do not keep your hand close to the frame. Okay, do not keep your head. Keep your hand, eye, head, eyes or everything near to the window. Okay, window at the glass iruttalva. So don't keep your hand and head near the windows. Okay, children, got it? Next point is running on the stairways is dangerous. Okay, on the stairs, stairs if you run, that is very danger. Okay, you may slip and you will fall. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸೊ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ upstairs. Okay, and the downstairs also. But don't run there. You may slip and you will fall and you will become hurt. The next is do not tease or fight with others. Children, will you fight with your friends? Fighting is very good habit or bad habit? Very bad children. So you don't fight or tease with your friend. Tease andre ಬೇರೆಯವರನ್ನ ಬೈಯೋದು. Don't do that. Okay, don't tease and don't fight with your friends. Got it children? That is very bad habit. You should learn the good habits, not bad habits. Okay, next point is if there is any problem, report it to your teacher. Listen children, if you get any problem, you tell your teachers. Okay, now any problem, any ತೊಂದರೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಬೇಕು. Got it children? I am going to repeat this one more time. Do not run on the corridors. You may call it with other students and both can get hurt. Okay, next point. Do not jump on the desk in the classroom and run around in the. Don't run around in the classroom. Be careful when closing the doors and windows in the classroom. Do not keep your hand close to the frame. Running on the stairways is very dangerous. You may slip and fall. Do not tease or fight with your friends. Okay. If there is any problem, please report to it your teacher. Got it children? Next is safety rules on the playground. Okay, safety rules at home completed, safety rules in the school completed. Now safety rules on the safety rules on the playground. How do we take care in the playground? Okay, children. Shall we start? Yes. Are you listening, children? Yes, very good, children. Share play tools and space so everyone can have fun. Okay, do not fight with others. Children, in the playground, you can share the playing things with your friends, and also don't fight in the playground. Got it? Yes. Don't share play things or share play tools with your friends, and also do not fight together in the playground. Got it, children? You be very friendly. You be friendly in the playground and play the games. The next point, play appropriate games only in the chosen areas. If there is lot of place, you do running like that. Okay. If there is small place, you can play the appropriate ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂತ ಗೇಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಆಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. Do not stand behind the swings. ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್, ಅದು ಹಿಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಗ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Okay, children. So don't stand behind the swings. Got it? Do not jump out of the swings. When you play the swing now, don't jump it. When it is stopped now, then only you can come down. Okay, children? Swing ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಆಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೂಗಾಡುವಾಗ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿಂತ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇಳಿಬೇಕು. All the slides use the steps to climb up and slide down properly. Listen to the slides ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಜಾರಬಂಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? SLIDES slides, ಜಾರಬಂಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? It has the step to climb up and get down. So you use the steps to go up and use the steps to come down. ಓಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಳಿದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಿರುಗಾಡ್ತಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂದ ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಳಿದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂದನೇ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. Stay away from the thorny plants and barbed wires. Wires ಮುಳ್ಳು ತಂತಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. Thieves will come, do not come inside ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ. And also thorny plants, ರೋಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. Thorny means ಮುಳ್ಳುಗಳಿರೋದು. Okay. Thorny plants, don't touch children. Okay. Don't touch the thorny plants. Rose flower ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಳ್ಳುಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. Cactus ಕೂಡ it has thorn. Okay, so don't touch thorny plants. ಮುಳ್ಳಿರುವಂತ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮುಟ್ಟಬಾರದು. Got it, children? I am going to read this one more time. Share play toys with your friends and have fun, and don't fight with your friends in the playground. Play appropriate games only in the chosen areas. Do not stand behind the swings. Do not jump out of the swings. At the slides, use the steps to climb up and slide down. Okay, stay away from the thorny plants and barbed wires. Got it, children? Next is safety rules on the road. Safety rules on the road. Okay, how do we take care of on the road? On the road, we should take some of the important safety rules. Okay, children, hold hands while crossing the road. ನೀವು road cross ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, you can see your right side and your left side pavement ಅಂತ. ಇದೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? pavement means road ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ small road is there, that is pavement. Okay, the walkable will go on this road. Use bright or reflective clothes while cycling. Okay children, cycling ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Be aware of traffic sign. Do you know the traffic sign children? ಈ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? Lights, yellow light, red light, green light. Do you know children? Yes, yellow means what? Yellow means be ready anta. Yellow light means what children? Yellow light means be ready. Red means to stop. T-O-2 S-T-O-P, stop. Okay na? Yeah. Green means go. Green means what children? Go anta. Okay, red light ಬಂದಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನ. ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಲೈಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. when the green it comes we should go, we should move on. Okay, red light means stop, yellow means watch or ready. Okay, the light is green or yellow, you can see that and be ready when yellow light is there, and when the green light is there you should cross the road. Got it children? Yes. Next is last one, safety rules in the bus and vehicles. In the bus and vehicles, how should we take the safety rules? Okay, stand in the queue while waiting for in the bus. BUS bus. Okay, stand in a queue while waiting for and boarding the bus. Children, when you are waiting the bus or boarding the bus, boarding means ಹತ್ತುವಾಗ you should go in a queue. Do not be rushy. ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಕೆ ಹತ್ತಬಾರ್ದು ಬಸ್ ನಾವು. You should be wait and go on. Okay, be seated when the bus is on the move. Okay, when bus is going, the bus is moving, you can sit. If there is no seat, you can stand and hold the holders. Holders are is there in the bus, so you should hold. Okay. Talk softly and do not disturb others in the bus. Okay, in the bus children, don't talk loudly. You should speak slowly. Okay. Strap your seat belt. Strap your seat belt as soon as you be seated in a vehicle. In the car, you are going in the car, you can wear the seat belt. It has the seat belt in the car. Okay, in the bus no seat belt, you can use in the car. Got it children? Okay, I am going to read this one more time. Safety rules in the bus. Stand in a queue while waiting for or boarding the bus. Be seated when the bus is on the move. Talk softly and do not disturb others in the bus. Strap your seat belt as soon as you are seated in a vehicle. Okay children, please take care at home, at school, okay, in the playground and also in the bus, on the road. Got it children? Be careful. I hope you understood this lesson children. Okay, always follow the safety rules. Safety rules to be followed at home, school, road and while traveling in the vehicles. We should keep away from anything that can cause fire. ಯಾವುದು ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹತ್ತುವಂತ things ಇಂದ ನಾವು ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು. Always inform an adult or call for help if anyone is hurt. Okay, anyone is hurt on the road, you can inform your parent, inform your elders. Got it, children? Now I am going to give you hard words in this lesson. Okay, children, please copy these hard words in your classwork. Lesson number 11. First, write the name. Lesson number 11. Safety rules. Then the second line, you can write hard words. H-A-R-D, hard. W-O-R-D-S, words. Okay, hard words. First one is safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Second one, R-U-L-E-S, rules. R-U-L-E-S, rules. Third one, are you writing, children? Please copy in your classwork. Okay. Third one, H-O-M-E, home. H-O-M-E, home. Fourth one, electrical. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-A-L, electrical. C-T-R-I-C-A-L, electrical. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L, electrical. Fifth one, objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S, O-B-J. Sorry, children. Sixth one, S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S, students. S-T-U-D-E-N-T-S, students. Seventh one, dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S, dangerous. D-A-N-G-E-R-O-U-S, dangerous. Eighth one, P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. P-R-O-B-L-E-M, problem. Ninth one, R-O-A-D, road. Ninth one, R-O-A-D, road. Tenth one, crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing. C-R-O-S-S-I-N-G, crossing. 11th one, reflective. R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-V-E, reflective. R-E-F-L-E-C-T-I-V-E, reflective. 12th one, traffic. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. Okay, children, now we will read this hard words one more time. First one, S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. First letter should be right capital, children. S-A-F-E-T-Y, safety. Second one, R-U-L-E-S, rules. R-U-L-E-S, rules. Third one, H-O-M-E, home. H-O-M-E, home. Fourth one, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L, electrical. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L, electrical. Fifth one, O-B-J-E-C-T-S, objects. O-B-J-E-C-T-S, dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. 8th one, problem, problem, problem. 9th one, road, road. 10th one, crossing, crossing. 11th one, reflective, reflective. 12th one, traffic, traffic. Okay children, you please copy these words in your classwork and read lesson number 11. Thank you children.